Wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex morning call. It's another trading day. We have Thursday, September the 8th. And I'm really happy to have you here. I appreciate it a lot that you spend your very precious lifetime with me every morning, Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. German time, right before the markets open. And yeah, we should talk about trading. And, you know, I'm a trend follower. And this is what I'm doing, sharing my knowledge with you just a bit. More than that, we are focused on the real trading stuff. Before we do this, I want to invite you to give me your questions here on YouTube or here on Traders Yard. Also, if you want that we should analyze something else, then please let me know. Give me the time frame if you want. Then we can talk about everything because it's my own show. I'm Marcus from DowHow Trading. The links you will find below this video on YouTube. If you want to grab your own logic course, then yeah, you're welcome to do this. So to go deeper in your own education. So good morning, Thomas. Thomas also. Aurel, Willy, Gerda, good morning. Nice to have you here. Yanis, Pitya, happy Thursday. I'm really happy that I can work with you here also. Cayetano, greetings to Portugal. Thanks for being here. I hope you have fun with the course. Cayetano is my last student. He grabbed the course. I hope you are happy with it. Okay, before we start, we have the general risk warning. Trading with stocks and financial assets like Forex can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment success as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. By the way, please don't forget, I'm a German guy. And sometimes I miss words. I'm quite sure my expression is not always the perfect best. I'm quite sure my grammar is not always the best, but I taught English to myself to reach more people around the world. And I'm quite sure you will understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Andrew, greetings to Nairobi, Kenya. Nice to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So amazing. Okay, Cayetano, thank you very much. We have a great journey to go together, and I'm really happy that I can support you and I can encourage you and accompany you on your way to success. Okay, let's see. First of all, what's the numbers today? Yesterday, you know, there was the Bank of Canada interest rate that was expected, 3.25. And today it's the big ECB day. Yeah, and you know, at 1:15, not 2:15, it's 1:15. It's plus 2 hours. We expect, where is it? Here, ECB. This is this one, from up to 0.5 roundabout. So this is the expectation of the market. Let's see. And we have the press conference a little bit later. Mr. Powell is speaking today, and Mrs. Lagarde is speaking today later again. So please be careful about the euro dollar today, or especially what is depending and regarding to the euro. Let's have a look and let's check the chart. And we want to start with the DAX 15 minutes for the day traders among us. Alexandro, good morning. Yanis, I can see it. Yes, we will do it. Of course. And as you can see here, the point of control, the fair price has changed, and it went up here to this price right now, 12,819 euros by one future contract. So you see, it's always the same. The last days, the price was circling a little bit. The volume was really strong, about between 12 and 13,000 roundabout. You can see it here. Dory, wonderful. Good morning. Nice to have you here. So, but let's talk about the trend. And as you can see, in heaven's sake, I love it. Yeah. So the downtrend was not really working. But the uptrend, that was the big part yesterday again. Let me see. Here we go. So you see, it's again always the same procedure. Second trend on, perfect entry here, or third trend on here. No, it was the second trend on again. Yeah, and in trend on number 3, how cool is this? So in case you had a perfect entry in trend on number 2, yeah, then stop loss here, and now there, and now in trend on number 5. Look at this. This is trend following, and there is nothing to interpret. That's the cool thing. This is a kind of liberation, guys. You know, if I think about my own trading career, because I'm not an expert, I'm just like a trader like you. I'm fighting every day with these markets, by the way. So I guess I have one advantage. I have more routine and I have more experience, 23 years now. Next year, 24. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old, guys. I'm really getting old. So the point is, trust the system. And, you know, when we come to trading, you know, my mentor taught me we come to trading about money and we stay about the insights. And we come to trading, we're looking for the holy grail. We believe everything that it's simple and easy to make money in the markets after a couple of months or maybe days or weeks, whatever there is, you will see, oh my gosh, that's not so fucking easy to make money. And then we start to analyze everything. Then we start to interpret everything. Every candle is a kind of interpretation. Then we starting to read newsletters. We follow some gurus online, and we believe almost every strategy, and we try to do every strategy. And especially we do almost everything to feel more safe in trading, because, you know, you're on the right edge of the chart, you don't know what's coming next. And then we do what we always try to do in our life to become more comfortable, to feel more safe. We starting to predict the future. That means we have to analyze and we have to interpret. At the end, nothing changed. You lose and you win, but you can do nothing, literally nothing, that your trend or that your trade is working for you with a guarantee. And you know, if you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. And if you have to work with probabilities, you have to work with a strategy. Yeah. So, and the moment you realize that trend following is an awesome strategy, you stop interpreting. You stop analyzing. You just follow the rules. That's the point. And this is the real liberation. That's just the real freedom. We come to trading to find freedom, financial independence, financial freedom. But trading shows us financial freedom is not that easy reachable, we thought, when we come to trading. That's the point. So, but the moment you understand what's going on in trading, that's the real liberation. Just my private opinion. So what's going on right now? Nothing. Be careful. ECB rate decision. It has always a little bit impact to the market too. But if the stop loss is trailed about the last 0.3, cool. You make money. This is your money from here to here. That is your safe money. Just by trend following. That's all. Okay, let's come to a higher time frame. DAX 4-hourly chart. So here we go, still in a downtrend. And as you know, perfect entry in trend arm number 2, stop loss at the last 0.3. And now we are waiting for a new uptrend or trend continuation to the lower side. Let's see, there is nothing to do for the moment. Dow Jones, also, we tried to go short again. Yeah, it was a zero game because we didn't lose money. That's the most important part. The guys, they opened the trade in trend arm number 2. Here, they could trail the stop loss to the last 0.3, and they are really safe. Yeah. And how much money? Yeah, it's here about 750 points. That's a lot of money, guys. That's a lot of money. And just trend following. That's all. Trust the system. Bitcoin. Yes. Oh my gosh. We had a new low, 18,595. And as you know, guys, I used to tell this for 1.5 years that the point of control, the fair price in daily chart in Bitcoin is around about 10,000 euros, $10,000 by one coin. Let's see if we reach this level. Let's see. So this is trend following. You see, again, entry trend on number 2, follow the trend, stop loss here at this price level. Nothing to do anymore for the moment. So gold, thanks God we trailed the stop loss into the profit. It was not a loss. So still trend on number 3. Let's see the ECB rate decision today. Could be have a little bit impact. So just waiting for a rebound, balance candle, and then we can try it again. Now we come to euro dollar. Euro dollar, yeah, it's a downtrend, by the way. There was no trend continuation here. And that means this is trend on number 2 in the meantime. And look, where was the perfect entry? And damn it, I missed it because I was working yesterday with other parts. You see, wonderful. There was no break because just fake breakouts here. Balance candle, entry, perfect, right? If you learn how to do this, because this is not my main account, by the way. And now it's what you can do. Yeah, you can trail the stop into the profit and then you are safe. So let's see about the rate decision. If you did it, if you follow the rules, again, another trade, you cannot lose money, but you keep the chance that the price is going up. I don't have any problems. I can make a re-entry a little bit later again, but that was a really, really cheap price. Really, really cheap price. That's really cool. Pound, dollar. Oh, there was no trend continuation yet. And as I said, yeah, you can trail the stop loss here to this or a little bit higher here. It's just up to you. But so how much money you make with this trend following system in this trade? So let's see. Perfect entry was here, trend 2 or latest here where I got in. And now your stop loss is here. That means 450 pips. 450 pips. And that means, that's really cool. That means, where is my tar here? 450 pips. And that means 4,500 dollars with one trend, with one standard lot. 450 if you have a mini lot, and 4.5 with a micro lot. Yeah, you see, just trend following. Now you understand how the big traders make money. Just simple trend following. So let's come to the question from Yanis, S&P 500 daily chart. Of course, let's do it. S&P 500. By the way, I'm a little bit excited today. You know, I have my big US event this afternoon, 4 p.m. It's 10 p.m. a.m. ET, Eastern Time, New York. And I'm really happy to talk about logic. So daily chart, S&P 500. Yeah, entry, I would say, perfect example. Trend on number 3. With trend on number 2, you were able to make money. And now here is a wonderful balance candle. You can see it here. Really, really lovely. Deep in the correction. That's a duty to open. Stop buy order, maybe a little bit higher. Stop buy order. And then trust the probabilities. Stop loss below the last 0.3 or wherever you think it should be, but latest at the last 0.3 because there is breaking the trend. So, and as a trend follower, why you should leave, why you should change, or why you should swift your stop loss to another place instead of 0.3 because there is breaking the trend. Yeah, so thank you. That's a really good chance. And S&P 500. I have Nasdaq on my list. Okay, let's go on. Thomas, yeah, that's a part of the new indicator. It's just in development. It's not finished, just development. It's not really working the way I want to do it. So, but you have to give the developers any chances to do what they ever want to do. But it looks like really cool. I'm really proud of it. That the first indicator which comes very close to draw the trend in a logical way, same way I teach in the course, but it's not perfect. I'm not really satisfied with it right now. Okay, so let's come to my running trades. Let's see. Aussie Swiss, finally, it's going. Finally, trend of number 2. This morning, I trailed my stop loss into the profit. Save the money is the prime directive. Euro pound, you see, yeah, it's going on again. So if you trailed the stop loss closer, maybe here, then you are still in. The trend follower, make the trade safe, has the stop loss in the profit zone and cannot lose money. And now let's see how many trend arms the price will go up. Euro JPY, yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, let's see. Stop loss is in profit. Everything is fine. Just let it go. Euro Kiwi, circling around the entry a little bit. Yeah, we saved the money here and we have to do it again here. Re-entry. Pound JPY, also re-entry. Here I missed my entry a bit. But here it's still trend of number 2. When we have a trend and the trend is really going up with trend of number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then who cares where we have the entry? Who cares? The most important point is you get into the trend of number 2. Yeah, Kiwi Cat, yeah, still in. Maybe we are the lucky guys. Let's see. Kiwi JPY, yeah, really cool in profit. Stop losses in profit. Everything is fine. US dollar, Canadian dollar, still in profit. Yeah, let's see. There's kind of balance candles, and you know the trend is really, really old. It's trend on number 5 right now. Yeah, and maybe you can take the money or you can leave the stop loss in profit and speculating on more trends. Yeah. About my account, I guess I will trail my stop loss and take the money here. Okay. So what's on the watch list? On the watch list, still Aussie JPY, but I guess we will see more trend continuation, and it looks like the downtrend will not working. So I can delete it from the watch list. Aussie Canadian dollar, just waiting for the rebound. CAD Swiss. Oh yeah, I'm in. CAD Swiss because it's the downtrend here. Downtrend and trend of number 2. And let's see. We have to be careful because there is an uptrend too. So let's check it closer the next days. Aussie CAD Swiss. Euro Swiss, waiting for the entry. Pound Kiwi. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Today, it looks like a balance candle. Could be an entry tonight or tomorrow morning. It's up to you. And, oh, dollar Swiss. Yeah, I made an entry here. Short. Trend of number 2, balance candle, yeah, stop loss above the last 0.3. So it's another one who is really working. Okay, so bond market, yeah, if you had an entry here, 0.2, so you should trail the stop loss latest here. And NASDAQ, yeah, I set a pending order. Deep correction, trend of number 3, Balance candle yesterday, really cool. So let's see if we can see higher prices. So guys, as you can see, trading is not that complicated. It's just a simple system strategies, not analyzing. Yeah, I know sometimes I watch some colleagues around the world in German and in English language. And yeah, everybody is doing a good job. Yeah, but you see, everybody's trying to explain something. As a trend follower, and this is what my teacher taught me over the last 20 years, stop analyzing, stop interpreting, because analyzing, interpreting, predictioning is an individual thing. And you know, you don't have influence to the price. So everything what is individual is just your opinion, but the market does not care about your opinion. So what you have to do, you have to work with probabilities. And for probabilities, you need a strategy. Strategy means you need rules. So, and rules has nothing to do with interpretation. So follow your rules. And when the rules are there on the right side of the chart, then make your entry. Calculate your money management, and then let the market decide. Yeah, and then manage your trade. And I give you the guarantee, if you follow the rules and the logic in trading, you will make money. But the highest recommendation, take a mentor. And the mentor should support you, encourage you, maybe for 1 year. Yeah, and then I'm quite sure you will find your own way. Okay, thanks a lot. Again, guys, I wish you a lovely, lovely day and all the best for your trading business today. Yeah, I hope we see each other maybe tonight, this afternoon here in the US event at 4 o'clock German time, by the way. Thanks for listening again. I wish you a really, really lovely day. Have courage and be kind. And may the force of the rules be with you. See ya tomorrow.